How to redeem Adidas gift card. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how to redeem an Adidas gift card, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, in the description of this video you're gonna have the link to adidas.com. So if you have a gift card, probably your gift card has a code on it. So you must go into the store and select whatever you want. So let's suppose I want some sneakers, and then you're gonna begin to select the sneakers you really like. Okay, so let's suppose I like these ones. Okay, I'm going to open to select the color, the size. By now just the 5 is available, and I'm going to add to back. This is adding by now. Okay, so I'm gonna view the back in order to continue with my process in the United States store. And now I'm going to click on checkout in order to continue with my payment. So I must confirm my email, my address, my delivery options too. So let's suppose standard delivery or collect in store. By now, standard delivery. Click on next, and the last step is the payment. So here in payment, I have different options: credit, debit card, PayPal with Klarna, Afterpay. But at the end, I have the option to use an Adidas gift card. So if you check that box, you're gonna get the card number in it, the PIN, and apply the gift card. And in that way, you're gonna be able to redeem the Adidas gift card. It is completely different. Let me show you again when I was in this part, that if I go into my back, it is completely different to use a promo code. Okay, so don't confuse this option with the Adidas gift card that I recently showed you. And that's it. That's how you can redeem Adidas gift card. Thanks for watching.